This is not a small hand workshop. This is an elite industrial line built around one of the rarest organic materials on Earth. Real-time analysis complete. Heart rate, muscle density, and bone structure are within optimal parameters.
Step onto the factory floor. We are starting at the absolute beginning of the raw material pipeline. Batch number 1 is locked in. Over the next 2 minutes, you will watch every single cut, heat cycle, and stitch. Every luxury horn handle and leather trim begins right here on the receiving dock. Traceability is non-negotiable. Every individual horn receives a digital passport before touching a machine. Thin-walled horns become pressed sheets. Solid, dense tips are reserved for carved luxury knife handles. The leather must match the horn. Only top-grain hides with zero surface scarring make the final cut. Vacuum drying removes deep internal moisture. Skip this step, and the finished luxury product will warp in humid air. In just 16 steps, raw livestock horn has become purified, stable industrial keratin ready for heat molding.
A coat of natural oil protects the horn surface from burning when it hits the 160-degree heating vats.
Soft, steaming, and completely pliable. What was once unyielding armor can now be shaped into anything. A single precise cut down the spine opens the curved horn, preparing it to be pressed flat. Cold steel sets the shape. The curved bullhorn is now a flawless, flat, luxury material plate. Sorted by translucency and white grain purity, these sheets are now ready to enter core manufacturing. Precision layout begins. Every millimeter of natural horn grain is positioned to maximize visual impact on the finished bag. A Waterjet cutting at 60,000 pounds per square inch shapes the horn with cold, surgical perfection.
No heat, no burning, no structural stress. The Waterjet leaves a kerf thinner than a human hair. Free from the master plate, these raw horn handles hold the exact shape they will keep for decades.
High-speed router bits round every edge, turning sharp cut lines into comfortable, hand-friendly curves.
Automation cuts the shape, but only a human hand can feel where a handle needs final balancing.
Simultaneously, top-grain white cattle hides are split to an exact thickness of 1.4 millimeters.
Uniform thickness ensures every seam, fold, and stitch on the finished bag sits completely flush. Laser beams replace traditional steel dies, cutting leather panels with micrometer precision while sealing the cut edge. Natural oils nourish the leather fibers, guaranteeing the material remains supple for generations without cracking. Structural epoxy is injected into internal horn channels, creating an unbreakable anchor point for gold hardware. Under pneumatic clamp pressure and ultraviolet radiation, the internal metal anchor cures in 60 seconds. Edge skiving thins the leather perimeter. When folded and stitched, double seams remain thin and sleek. Contact cement holds the leather panels in alignment so heavy sewing needles never slip off of center.
Horn meets leather. For the very first time, the polished white horn plate fuses with the full-grain leather shell.
Heavy rubber rollers eliminate micro air pockets, bonding horn and leather into a single indestructible panel. A spinning cotton wheel and fine polishing compound unlock the deep, pearlescent luster hidden inside natural horn.
Wiping away compound reveals what nature took years to grow pill. Pure white keratin with translucent marble depth.
Italian edge enamel seals every raw leather cut, creating a bold black border against the white leather body. Infrared heat cures the edge paint in 90 seconds, creating a flexible, waterproof barrier that will never crack. Hand sanding between paint layers separates ordinary bags from luxury masterworks. Perfection demands patience. High-frequency sound waves shake away invisible dust particles, ensuring perfect clarity before final hardware assembly. Solid forged brass hardware snaps into place, rated to support 10 times the weight the bag will ever carry. Halfway through production, every panel is verified against master blueprints. 1 millimeter off, and it is rejected. Look closer at 60,000 psi. The garnet abrasive matrix erodes keratin atom by atom without heat. 24,000 revolutions per minute leave a surface so smooth it requires minimal hand sanding. The razor-sharp band knife glides through collagen fibers, splitting the hide to sub-millimeter uniformity. Continuous automatic. The focused laser beam instantly vaporizes organic material along the cut line, sealing hide fibers instantly. Shaving the edge down to 0.7 millimeters guarantees zero seam bulk when leather panels join. Horn and leather fit together like master joinery. Zero gap, zero overlap, complete structural fusion. Watch the transformation under the wheel. Dull organic surface turns into liquid white glass in seconds. Surface tension creates a perfect rounded dome of black enamel along the snow-white leather edge. Infrared radiation drives out water molecules, locking acrylic polymers into an unbreakable rubberized seal. Millions of imploding microbubbles clean internal horn, carving grooves that no brush could ever reach. Look closer at 60,000 psi. The garnet abrasive matrix erodes keratin atom by atom without heat.
Under 10 times magnification, the edge seal must show 0 pinholes. Perfection is the only standard.
Steel pricking irons punch angled guide holes, setting the exact rhythm for hand-stitched reinforcement zones. Natural linen thread is hand-rubbed with pure beeswax, making it completely waterproof and friction-resistant. Saddle stitching uses 2 needles simultaneously. Even if one stitch breaks, the remaining thread never unravels. Friction burnishing compacts leather fibers around the thread, sealing stitch holes against dust and water entry.
Carnauba wax seals the thread line, giving the hand-stitched seam a subtle satin sheen that repels water.
Cleaned, inspected, and reinforced. The front hybrid panel is ready to meet the structural machine sewing bay. A protective blue film shields the polished horn surface. Not a single scratch is permitted during machine assembly.
Internal composite stiffeners guarantee the bag maintains its crisp, luxury silhouette, even when completely empty.
Solid brass feet are riveted to the base, protecting the bottom leather panel from surface wear whenever set down.
Rich maroon jacquard lining is prepared for the interior. Luxury must feel as extraordinary inside as it looks outside.
Processing is complete. Every horn handle, leather panel, and brass fitting stands ready for structural machine synthesis. Station 1, the heavy-duty post-bed sewing machine. Its raised vertical column allows 3-dimensional bag stitching. Driven by a heavy servo motor, the needle punches through 4 layers of dense leather with absolute consistency. Station 2, automated CNC pattern sewing. Computerized precision executes an unbreakable box and cross-stitch pattern. Every stitch lands within 0.01 millimeters of design coordinates, securing the horn handle against extreme pulling force. Station 3, the ultrasonic embossing press. High-frequency sound vibrations permanently seal the luxury emblem into the hide. The die retracts, revealing a razor-sharp gold leaf brand mark embedded deep within the leather grain. Station 4, automatic hydraulic riveting. Heavy brass corner caps are locked over seam junctions to resist impact. 1 ton of hydraulic force deforms solid brass, forming a permanent mechanical lock that can never pull free. Station 5. Automatic zipper insertion. Dual needles lock heavy-gauge brass zipper teeth onto the bag, opening simultaneously. Dual needles execute parallel stitch lines, binding leather body, zipper tape, and interior maroon silk lining in a single pass. Station 6. Pneumatic horn handle assembly. Heavy binding bolts lock the White Brahman horn handles onto the chassis. Torqued to exact engineering spec, the handle locks onto internal resin anchors embedded deep inside the horn core. A second pass at Station 1 demonstrates how the skilled operator maneuvers three-dimensional leather contours around the post. Passing right along the horn inset margin, the needle maintains a perfect 1.5 mm distance without touching horn glass. Back at Station 2, automation ensures Unit 100 receives the exact same structural box stitch density as Unit 1.
Precise mechanical thread tensioners prevent loose loops, guaranteeing every stitch sits flush against the hide surface.
Revisiting Station 3. Ultrasonic energy permanently seals the interior authenticity emblem into smooth white leather. Look at the micro-texture contrast. The emblem floor is compressed completely flat, surrounded by natural white leather grain. At Station 4, seamless coordination between human positioning and hydraulic power installs all 4 corner caps in 20 seconds.
Back at Station 5, heavy brass end stops are crimped onto zipper ends, preventing slider derailment under load.
A single smooth pull confirms zipper alignment. Golden brass teeth mesh with a crisp, satisfying industrial click.
Final pass at Station 6. Automated mechanical pull testers apply 20 kilograms of force to confirm handle joint integrity. Zero movement, zero deflection. The White Brahman horn handle and full-grain leather shell are now a single, unified structure. Precise mechanical thread tensioners prevent loose loops, guaranteeing every stitch sits flush against the hide surface.
Ionized air neutralizes static charges, ensuring zero ambient dust specks cling to the pristine white leather or horn surface.
A unique certificate card, laser-etched from thin White Brahman horn veneer, is tucked inside the maroon silk lining.
Breathable, organic cotton dust bags enclose the finished product, shielding leather and horn from light and ambient dust during storage.
The product settles into a custom-molded velvet tray inside a heavy, rigid presentation box stamped with gold leaf.
Concealed neodymium magnets pull the heavy lid closed with a reassuring snap. Security wrapped in absolute elegance.
A rich maroon satin ribbon completes the presentation box. Every detail signals world-class craftsmanship inside.
Look closer at the unboxing reveal. Underneath the protective film, natural horn shines like liquid ivory. Microfiber threads trap microscopic dust, leaving the white leather surface in immaculate, flawless condition. Laser-etched serial numbers tie every bag to its original White Brahman horn batch records for life.
The custom dust bag glides on smoothly, tailored specifically around the unique dimensions of the horn handles.
Golden silk cords gather the dust bag neck into uniform pleats, locking out air currents and airborne dust. The custom velvet tray cradles the bag perfectly. No movement, no shifting, total protection during global flight transit. The magnetic closure seals flush. The transformation from raw Brahman horn to packaged luxury masterwork is complete. A single angled cut on the satin ribbon marks the final touch. The luxury gift box stands fully prepared for worldwide dispatch. Data proves the mastery. A 99.4% quality pass rate across 120 complex manufacturing steps.
Staked and verified, thousands of finished luxury horn and leather products stand ready for dispatch to fashion capitals across the globe. Every flame, every high-pressure jet, every needle stroke, and every hand polish led to this single flawless result. Behind every machine and every automated line is the master craftsman whose skill turns raw natural elements into timeless art. This is what it took. From unyielding raw bullhorn to an indestructible luxury masterpiece, now complete in your hands. Unforgiving industrial power, refined into pure luxury elegance.
Tomorrow, the heat vats fill again. Inside this factory, the art of turning raw horn into luxury never stops.